I saw another question there. You know, can there be something just answering a question? Yeah, your bot can be as short or as long as you like. And a short one could be simply, let's say you have 3 parts to your business: services, products, and say consulting. Okay, basically you set your bot up and say, hey, hi, first name, blah, blah, blah. Yep, please select from below how I can help you. Yep, I'll click on products. Yep, good on you, Andrea. No worries, we've got a certain number of products. We've got nobody here right now. Would you like to send us a message? Yes or no? If it's yes, we've just got to get some details. If it's no, no worries. Someone might get, you know, when someone's online, they'll get back to you. But through the other way, they can actually leave you a message, so, which is generally after hours. I've got one not-for-profit client using it, and they just switch it on after hours. And basically all their inquiry comes in after hours because it's after work. They're taking the weekend off, all that kind of stuff. So next business day, they've got a whole inbox full of leads. It's the easiest prospecting you're ever going to do in your life. And that can either come through an ad or even people saying, oh, referring you to their page. Boom, then you go send a message. That's the first thing you're going to do. You know, no one's answering me here, I'll hit send a message. So that's the mindset we've got to get.